Ericsson International of Las Vegas, Nevada is relaunching American Standard window film, and they're about to take the industry by storm. They've engineered a new way of doing business and manufacturing product that no one in this field has ever seen. Welcome to the new American Standard window film.
This factory is a one-of-a-kind. You won't see anything like this anywhere else in the world. It's the first of a new generation of window film manufacturing equipment. I'm Mike Martin, president of Ericsson International. I've worked in the industry for 15 years as a director of manufacturing at a leading window film manufacturer. Over the years of making window film, I've learned what not to do to make window film and how to be more efficient to produce a quality product. I've teamed with the best in the industry when it comes to window film distribution and sales.
I've been in this industry for 14 years. I have done everything from owning a tin shop to running a distribution center. We felt the need to improve what we have. We wanted to improve the industry, the process, the way window film is made, the end product that ends up in customers' hands.
It's this enthusiasm and commitment to quality that is the strength of Ericsson International. And it's the major advances in technology that guarantees the best product in the world.
My engineering background enabled me to rethink the process, redesign the process, come up with new equipment that's capable of producing a higher quality, consistent product with higher efficiencies. I conceptualized and designed this machinery in order to take the window film industry to the next level.
Most window film manufacturers have to run materials through 2 to 3 different machine passes to produce a typical window film product. Ericsson International has engineered a laminating and coating machine that produces window film in only one pass, in a mere 60 seconds. This allows the team to continually evaluate the end product, ensuring every roll is first quality. And because of the improved manufacturing efficiencies, Ericsson International can produce this high-quality product at a competitive price.
My job is to supervise the coating line and make sure that we produce first quality window film. I've been doing window film manufacturing for 19 years. When I first saw this machine, I was pretty excited. It's a unique machine, something I've never seen before, and I was excited to come aboard and help them run this machine.
It's this enthusiasm and commitment to quality that is the strength of Ericsson International. And it's the major advances in technology that guarantees the best product in the world.
We have the next generation in splicing technology. This equipment enables us to run non-stop, 24 hours a day, producing consistent product. The operation control station is the brain of the machine. It allows the operator to set up the machine, recall recipes, so we know how to make the product each time, control and monitor the equipment from one position. Our recipe control allows us to eliminate human error by recalling stored programs. Our rewind system is a one-of-a-kind. You won't find one of these anywhere else in the world on a window film machine.
This system is installed as part of the manufacturing machine and rewinds the window film into 100-foot rolls directly off of the manufacturing line in a clean and dust-free environment.
How's it going, Patrick?
Great.
The Quality Assurance Lab tests each roll of product to ensure that the tinter receives consistent product day in and day out. The co-weight in specification? It's the way we engineer our products that allows us to say with confidence that we're the best in the world.
Can you use a banner for your shop?
Ericsson International and American Standard has also gathered the most knowledgeable domestic and international sales force in the industry.
Да, спасибо, мы получили ваш заказ. Он уже находится.
My name is Narbe Babayan. I'm the Director of International Sales here at Ericsson. I've been in the window film industry for 6 years. I'm very excited to bring this new technology to our customers.
Starting with our raw material, our manufacturing engineers, our quality control team, our sales and customer service, we at Ericsson International, with our brand name of American Standard Window Films, have taken the window film industry to the next level.
I'm proud to be part of this innovative 21st century window film manufacturing company. We welcome every installer and distributor to visit us here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and join us in revolutionizing the industry.
Ericsson International and its brand American Standard window film World-class engineering, manufacturing, product, and service, all right here in the United States. For window film samples, to schedule a visit, or to speak to a domestic or international sales director, call 1-800-835-9676 or visit us at www.aswf.com.